Northeastern Hunt County in north-central Texas, Lamar County in north-central Texas, Delta County in north-central Texas, southeastern Phantom County in north-central Texas, until 7:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:29 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Honey Grove, or 14 miles north of Commerce, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Paris, Commerce, Cooper, Blossom, DePort, Roxton, Ladonia, Pecan Gap, Tokyo, and Sun Valley. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Severe thunderstorm watch 11 in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. Today, sunny. Showers.
I was about to get some sleep and then they decided to go off. That's just great. Effective until the next hour. Oh boy.